Welcome to TubeCore. Casual videos but hardcore knowledge. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, press that bell notification. Let's start the video.
Forex strategies for beginners. Namaste friends, and welcome to your channel TubeCore. And in this video we will be talking about some Forex strategies for beginners, such as what should be the best approach to make money with Forex trading, and especially if you're a newbie, should you try this industry or not, because a lot of people do lose money if they don't do everything in the professional way. Okay, so a lot of people on YouTube will ask you to learn everything, master everything, and that is where the problem starts for newbies if you go manual. Okay, so let's say you have no idea what is this Forex industry or how to make money with trading and stuff like that, but you saw some videos on the internet and they said, you go buy low and sell high, and you buy here and you create an account and you deposit your money and this and that. Okay, that's a wrong approach, because you did all that without knowledge. Those people who are making money, they have the skill, they have mastered something, they have maybe learned that with a number of years, with a number of years of experience. They might have lost so much money in the beginning, and then they have gone through the error and the trial, and now they are making money. But if you're a beginner, just don't do it manually. Okay, because until and unless you get a certificate from somebody that, okay, yes, now you have become some Forex trading expert, now this is your certificate, then yes, go and create your account and deposit the money, and then start trading manually at your own risk. Okay, so this brings me to my disclaimer first of all here, that you can see on the screen. Now these videos are for educational and informational purposes only. I am not some financial consultant or legal advisor. My videos are not responsible for any of your profits and losses. However, I will be sharing my personal experience. How do I do my Forex trading using software? Okay, so you can see this is the software I use. So you can see here, buy low, sell high, buy low, sell high. This is how it bought here, it sold here, it bought here, it sold here. So this is how I make profits. And I do not have any knowledge about Forex trading manually. Okay, so leave things to certain software if you don't know what you are doing, and I will tell you exactly what I am using and where to go, how to find all this, how to go and do this on automation. So if you go below my YouTube video, you will find a link here. The first one says make money on autopilot with Forex trading. Okay, so once you click on this link, follow the instructions, and this training course will talk about exactly how to set up everything on autopilot as a newbie if you do not know anything about Forex trading. Because if you go and try to follow other YouTubers, they have good knowledge. I'm not talking anything wrong. They know what they're doing, but do you? I don't know what they're doing. I cannot understand charts and everything. If I come back here, if I show you, maybe let's open one chart here. Okay, and they will talk about a lot of things, average moving I don't know what else. Okay, so this is the detailed chart here for advanced people. Now I got no clue here. What do I do? Okay, all I know, for making profits, we need to buy low, sell high, buy here, sell here. But how would you know when the market is going down, when the market will go up? Are you gonna play God here? No, we can't play God, right? So we don't know what's happening. We don't have control over in any situation. Okay, so I do not expect you to become some master of prediction. Okay, so I cannot help you with anything manual here. I will not lie. Why would I lie? I'm telling you right in front of you that if there is an option using that you can do everything on automation, then why would you go and waste your time and increase your risk factor? Okay, so if you try to learn all these things here, you will be only and only increasing your risk factor, because learning means nothing until and unless you practically try it. And when you are going to practically try Forex trading, more likely you will lose money. Okay, So I cannot help you in teaching you anything manually. However, the strategies which I could tell you as a beginner, the number one strategy, okay, the number one strategy for a beginner should be that you should not go and trade manually. Okay, and you should also not go and use any software just like that. Somebody said that go and try this free software. Never go for any free software. Why they are free? Because they don't care. Okay, if a software is really good which actually gives you results, that will always be paid. If you see some software on the internet which are free, they are not responsible if you lose any money. Okay, so again, you have to be very careful because you are new into the industry, you know nothing, you are only hearing people go and try the software, this and that. Okay, except me, because I am not recommending you any free software. Okay, so number one strategy, if you're a beginner, do not go manual. Do not try to learn everything, because this might not be of your interest. You might not be made for this kind of stuff. Utilize the method only to go and scrape the money from this trillion-dollar industry, but this might not be of your interest. For example, when you become a software developer, okay, when you become a coder, you make those websites, you do programming, and you make apps and everything. The IT industry, programming, if you know programming, you can earn $10,000 per month as salary. Okay, but as an example here, God has not made me for programming. I hate it. I can't do it. I can fly the air. If you teach me, I can become some pilot. I can fly the private jet. I can do that. I cannot do programming because I have no interest in learning. Okay. The same way, your mind, your heart might not be ready to learn about forex trading, but you saw some videos. You saw somebody driving super cool cars in Dubai, and now you think you can make money in forex trading too. Well, yes, you can make, if you can get things right, if you can get all the setup done correctly. Okay, so number one, for newbies, do not do it manually until and unless you become some expert, and then you have so much money to try at your own risk. Go and try. But if you are limited on budget and you don't want to take a risk, then don't do it manually. That's number one. That is number one strategy. Okay, second strategy is trade for 1 hour per day only. Okay, somebody will tell you 3 hours a day, 5 hours a day, whatever. Okay, and all that is possible when you are trading manually. So for example, let's say you took a trade, within first 1 hour, but you lost that trade. Lost means you lost the money. Okay, so now you will become greedy, because let's say you lost $100. Now you want to recover that money. So what you will do is you will sit in front of the computer. This is a very bad practice, because you will be sitting, you will take one more trade, and if you go and make $10 or maybe $20 in that trade, you will say, okay, I have recovered my $20. Now it's only $80 which are in minus. So you will go and take the third trade, and if you keep taking the trade for 3, 4, 5 hours, eventually by the end of the day, you will be in minus 200 or 500. So never go beyond the your expectations, or do not expect miracles to happen in one day. Do not expect that you will become rich in one day. Understand how the market works. Okay, if the market has gone up, it will come down. If it has gone down, it will go up. Now this might happen in a few hours, in a few days, in a few weeks, in a few months. Nobody knows, unless you are some really expert. Okay, I am not an expert, but I know how to not lose money. Okay, if I make money or not, that's the second thing, but I need to keep my money in my pocket first so that I can go and trade with that money. Okay, so this is strategy number 2, is that only trade 1 hour per day. And in my case, I am using the software, so this software only trades 1 hour per day. Okay, and that also depends on the timing, which timing. Okay, so in the training program, if you see here, this one, the first link, okay, we'll talk about which 1 hour the software should be set up to open trades for you, right? And this is all part of the training. I will not explain anything in this video, because the video will be like 10 hours long then, because this training is 7 hours long. Okay, so this was strategy number 2, trade for 1 hour per day. Now what will happen in 1 hour per day? Okay, in 1 hour per day, it is not it is not guaranteed that the software will take trades every single day. Okay, for example, right now if you see here this chart, the market is going up and up. Okay, it is not a good idea to buy here. If you buy here and if the market comes down, then you will never be able to sell this to a higher price. Understand? So at times the software will not work for you. Work for you means that it will not take or it will not open the trades on that particular day. So if the software thinks that today the market is going in one direction only, means that it's going up and up. So the software understands that if we go and open a trade right now, then next day the market is going to crash and go down. So if you buy something in 10 bucks today, tomorrow the value is going to be 2 bucks. So the software understands that, and the software will not open the trade on that particular day. Okay, so for example, you can do forex trading from Monday to Friday, but if you go manually, you will try to take trades on Monday as well, on Tuesday as well, in this Thursday as well, Wednesday as well, Friday as well. You will try to make profits all 5 days, but you don't know what you are doing unless you know what you're doing. Okay, but the software understands when to open trades. So from Monday to Friday, the software might only work for 3 days, for 4 days, for 2 days, depending on the condition of the market. Okay, if the software if the software opens the trades every single day forcefully, then you might lose them. So the software is smart enough to understand that it needs to open the trades only on those particular in those particular conditions in which you have higher chances to make profits. And I will show you some proofs as well what I'm talking about. Okay, so we'll talk about 1 hour trading in my training program, which 1 hour that could be, and Monday to Friday, 5 days a week. And it is not necessary that the software will open the trades every single day. It will open the trades on those days given the market condition, in which you have higher probability that you will certainly make profits. Okay, so who is being smart here? You being smart, doing manually every single day from Monday to Friday, and you don't know anything about market, this market condition. You are only a greedy person who wants to make profits every single day, or rather you would let the software do the job for you, and the software will open the trades on its own, knowing that when the market is going to go up and down. Okay, so for me, I would say so far I have been using the software, and for like 3 to 4 days in a week it works for me. Okay, I will say it does not go and work, or rather it does not open trades for 5 days continuously, because then I will have some losses, because if I force the software to open trades every single day, then I will lose some money. Okay, however, the software works on its own. It's like a one-time setup. You set it up and then you forget about it, and it will keep working, right? So the software on its own reads all the market condition, and it will work for you between Monday to Friday. However, chances could be that 1 or 2 days it might not open any trades, because opening trades on those days might have been riskier in the market depending on the market condition. Okay, so again, let me show you the proof here. So that was strategy number, I don't know what. First strategy is, as a beginner, don't go manual. Second strategy is what was that? Trade 1 hour per day. Okay, and third is choose between doing it manually and doing it with some software. So personally, I am not doing it manually, and I'm doing it with the software. So obviously I will recommend the same to you as well. Okay, now I will show you the proofs here. So if you are into this industry, or if you're not into the industry, that doesn't really matter. You have to go to the fxbook.com. This is my real account. You can see real USD. Okay, now I started this account with $100 deposit, and yesterday I have deposited more $390. So now it has become a total of $500. Okay, 490 is almost 500, right? So before depositing 390 yesterday, How much did I make? I made 28 bucks. Okay, so I have made $28 on a $100 account in 8 days. Okay, so if you see here, day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5, day 6, day 7, day 8. Okay, you can see here small profit, small, big. Okay, lot size 0.035. December 8. When was yesterday? Yesterday was December 8. Okay, so yesterday the software took a trade and it made some profit, right? So on $100 account, I made 28 bucks so far. Well, I made more, but that goes to the broker as commission and the spreads and the fees. Okay, so you can say the software might have made $32 plus out of which some money has gone to the broker, but this is my pure profit, 28 bucks, right? Now this is not important because the more money you have here as your capital amount, the more profits the software is going to make. And one thing here, we have drawdown. You see 5.53. Now drawdown, I don't really know by definition what this means, but drawdown has to be lesser. The less drawdown you have, the more profits you will make. That's what I understand so far. I do not understand much about this because I am doing everything on autopilot. No understanding required. I have only understood what is necessary to understood. Okay, and then what you need to see here is these trades. You see 56 of them. So the software has taken 56 orders or trades and it has won, WON, it has won me 100%. 56 out of 56 trades I have won using the software. Lost 0. So I have lost 0 trades out of 56 and it's all green. You see here. So this is how you can go and try this risk-free. Okay, if you go manual, if you're expert, if you know everything, then this video is not for you. This video is only for beginners who know nothing about this industry and they want to try this with maybe a less amount. Minimum you could invest is 100 bucks to start with into the deposit, into the brokerage account. Okay, and then you can see you will have the chance to make money. And as I said, the software reads the market conditions and it opens the trades only on those days on which it has the higher on which day it has the highest probability to make profits for you. Okay, but if you go manual, your hands will be itching, your brain will be itching that let's go and make some money, let's go and make some money. No, let the software do the job. Out of 5 days, even if you make money on 3 days on autopilot, you got nothing to lose. Okay, so the more you invest, the more profits you can make, and the software will do on its own. And this is live. You can see here, this one is a demo account. So you can see trade here, trade here, trade here, trade here, trade here, trade here. It works. Okay, then again here, this is AUD USD. Okay, so trade here, trade here, trade here, right? Trade here as well. And then we have this USD CAD, trade here, trade here, trade here, trade here, trade here, and this is all done by the software. Okay, and this is my real account. The real one is this one here. And where is it? Trade here, trade here, trade here, trade here, trade here, trade here. I guess 8 trades in last 8 days. Okay, so it works. It will work on its own merits. Okay, you cannot force the software to do this, because if you go, we can always change the settings of the software, but if you go and tell the software to do the trades all day 24/7, then your account balance will go to 0. I can tell you that. Okay, so if you only want to command the software that these are settings 24/7, you go and trade, the software will do that, because you have told the software to go and open trades. The software will do that. But then if you lose money, then what? Who is responsible? Okay, so this is what you can try. This is all part of testing as well. Nobody's stopping you. Once you go and get the software, then you can open demo accounts. In demo accounts, you can do all kinds of testing. Okay, nobody's stopping from testing. You can do all sorts of testing in the demo accounts and then see what works for you, what not, and then you can go and open a new account and deposit the money. Okay, so I guess you go below my YouTube video and click on the first link where it says make money on autopilot, and then come to the link here, enter your name and email address. Okay, then click on unlock the syndicate, and go and check your email, verify the email, click on the link, and then you will be taken to a video. Watch the video and then take action. Okay, this syndicate program will help you to learn how to set up all of these things, how to open your brokerage account. Everything is covered for 7 hours. This training is for 7 hours, and you can make money risk free. That is based on my experience so far. Okay, and if you are interested in making money on YouTube, just like me, you want to make YouTube videos, then you can check out this traffic service. This traffic service will help you to monetize your YouTube channel within a month. And this traffic service will help you to get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in 2 weeks only. And then you can learn how to do affiliate marketing. So if you want to sell other people's product and make money online, then go and get traffic service as well. Subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification, and if you want to support and contribute, you can use the super thanks button. Okay, subscribe is free, like is free, dislike is free, do all of that. And let me do an overview, the recap here. I guess on YouTube you can watch videos from other people. They are actually trying to help you. They're trying to help you, but literally tell me, if you're a beginner, do you understand any of what they're saying? I don't. Okay, I cannot go manual. I don't want to risk. I wanna play risk free. Okay, I would rather make money 3 days in a week, but I will make money on autopilot rather than losing my money for 5 days. Okay, so the software is working fine for me. On some days it doesn't work, but it does work rest of the days. Okay, because understand one more thing here, we are trading only 1 hour per day. Okay, if we let the software work 24/7, then your account balance could go in zero. This is only something which you will find out when you try the software in the demo account. Okay, there's no risk in the demo account. In the demo account you have fake money, so you can let the software run 24/7 in the demo account and then see how does it work for you. Let's say you run the software for 24/7 in the demo account for 1 month. In 1 month, if you only make profits, then who's stopping you? You go and run the software in the real account for 24/7 as well, at your own risk. Okay, and again, the more software the more you use the software, the more experience you will get. And you also have to go through the training here in the syndicate one, this one. Okay, after going through the training, you will have enough knowledge to decide should you be trading for 1 hour, 10 hours, whatever. Okay, it is based on practical experience, and that is why the demo accounts are there for you. Okay, so before anybody invests real money, they have to go and they have to go and open demo accounts and start trading in demo accounts. The only thing is that if you want to trade manually, you will have to spend number of months and years before you become some expert, and even for that you have to go manual and waste so much time of your life. Okay, and even after that you cannot play God. You will not be accurate 100% of the times. Okay, but here if you see the software, it has been accurate 100% for me so far. Okay, this is what I have to share with you. Beginners, guys, don't waste your time, because if you go manual, there will be so many errors. You will not be able to make this work. You will, and the money which you will lose, that will be the real money. That's the most tricky part, because as long you're playing in the demo account, if you lose some money in the demo account, nobody cares, right? But if you go manual and if you don't know what you're doing, you will lose real money. Okay, so on this channel, we might make you money, we might not make you money, but we will certainly save your money, or rather not let you lose your money. Okay, so go and try this automation. Check out the first link below the video, come to this page, sign up here, enter your email, and then go through the training program, get the software. Once you have the software, then you will be able to try that software in the demo mode as well as in the real mode. And after the training, you will know which currency pairs to trade, which will make you more profits. It's all part of the training and all part of the testing phase. Okay, and no other YouTube channel will tell you which software they use exactly. This is one more thing you need to know. If somebody is using their software to make profits, they will never tell you which software exactly it is. And they were, even if you know the name of their software somehow, they will not tell you the exact settings which they're using. However, in this training program, you will be given this Excel sheet. Where is that? This one. So you will be given this Excel sheet in which we have all the settings, okay? So you will see that in 2 seconds on your screen. So for example, you start with $100, these will be the settings. If you start with 500, these will be the settings, okay? So you will get all the support inside the training program, and this sheet will be shared with you. So whatever amount you deposit, these are the required settings for the software, okay? So there's a lot of things which you need to know, even if you have to go and do this on automation. That is why this training will help you for 7 hours, and then software will do the job, okay? So I guess this video had been helpful to you. At least I am stopping those people not to risk with your money unless you know what you're doing, and you don't have to go and know anything. Just go and get this training and get the software and do this on automation. It is better to go and make money maybe 3-4 days a week on autopilot rather than losing money for 5 days continuously, okay? Subscribe, like, and in the end I will show you how to make money with Traffic Jarvis. So once you click on the first link below my YouTube video, it says make money with Traffic Jarvis, and then you will be taken to this website which says finally proven methods for making real money online from home, even if you're a brand newbie. Option number 1 is email marketing. Option number 2 is YouTube Traffic Jarvis. So this Traffic Jarvis will help you to monetize your YouTube channel within 30 days as soon as possible, and it will help you to get those 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, which are required to get if you want to make money on YouTube without selling anything, okay? So before I talk about Traffic Jarvis in detail, first of all, let's talk about this email marketing method here. So you can also make money with email marketing just by sending 1 email per day, but you need a lot of numbers, okay? You need to have thousands and thousands of email addresses into your list, and then only you can go ahead and make some money with email marketing. So if you want to grow your email list without buying some paid ads, then you can try this system which you see right now on the screen. This will give you 100 email leads from US, Canada, Australia, from those countries, and you will also be allowed to send emails to these leads once per day. So by the end of the month, in 30 days, you will have 3,000 leads minimum, and you will be able to send them emails 30 times, in a month, right? So here are the proofs. You can see they have made 15,000 plus with the system. They have made 15,000 plus with the system. I have made 377 so far, and when I am recording this video, you might be watching this video in my on my YouTube channel, but these data will change because this is a recurring commission, okay? So these numbers keeps adding every month, and this number will change. I don't know when you're watching this video, so whatever numbers you will see, those will be the updated numbers, okay? And then if you want to learn how to use the system, then go and click on this play button, go on the next page, enter your name and email address, click on this watch free video, then go back to your email, verify your email. Once you have verified your email, then you will be taken to this video. Watch the video and take action, because if you take action, I'll send you some bonus email stripes, okay? Now let's talk about YouTube Traffic Jarvis, because on YouTube, again, you can make money for the rest of your life without selling anything. Click on the play button here, go on the next page, enter your name and email address, click on this red button, go back to your email, verify the email. Once you have verified your email, then you will be taken to the Traffic Jarvis video. Watch the video, take action, because you can see the proofs here. This is the money I have made just by uploading videos without selling anything, because my YouTube channel is monetized, and you must have seen some ads in my YouTube videos. So the more people see these ads in my YouTube videos, the more money this video is going to make for me, okay? The same can be done for you too. You can go and get your YouTube channel monetized with the help of Traffic Jarvis within maximum 30 days. And after that, your job is simply to upload videos every day on your channel and make this kind of money, okay? And you can see here, this is the money I have made by doing some reviews on my YouTube channel. My primary source of income is YouTube ad revenue. Just upload videos, make money, no selling required, okay? And again, these numbers will change. These numbers will grow, because again, I'm telling you, this is a recurring commission system. So right now, if it shows 560, in the future, it might be well above 600 or 700. So the data will be changing when you're watching the video in the future, okay? All right, great. So we have these two methods, email marketing and YouTube. Now, if you can master these two methods, you will never need to learn any third way to make money online. So go and check this out. And then we have this link says get Kiss Tracking, keep it simple, stupid. Kiss Tracking is all about doing what I'm doing right now. So in case if you are interested in learning how to do these reviews on your YouTube channel, if you want to know how to find these products, how to get your affiliate links approved, and how to upload these videos on your YouTube channel, then you can go through this Kiss Tracking training. And this Kiss Tracking will also be available inside Traffic Jarvis, okay? And then we have the third link. It says make 120 recurring commission. Let's click on this one. This is for people who know how to sell, or maybe you have some kind of experience online. So just go and enter your name and email first, and then click on email me my free ebook. Then go back to your email address, click on the verification email, and then you will be given your ebook. Go and read the ebook if you want to join the system and take action, because you have to go and sell this system to others, because this system can make you up to $120 from one person, from one sale. Okay, so if you can bring in, let's say, 10 people into the system, those 10 people can make you up to $1,200 every single month. Okay, so this is a recurring system, and they will give you the proper training inside how to go and try free traffic or paid traffic. So you will have, all the training inside too. But it is good if you have some experience already, and experience means if you already have a YouTube channel, or maybe you have an email list, or you have some kind of audience, and you can go and promote this product, so that will give you quick boost. Okay, so this is it. These were the links, and I would say go and check them out. If you want to make money without selling anything for rest of your life, then you can go for traffic service YouTube method. YouTube is absolutely free, and it's entirely on you. The more you work, the more money you will make. Here's the example, as you can see. And email marketing, you have to go and start doing it, because you have to wait for the numbers to grow, because in 1 month you will be getting 3,000, and that means you have to spend 2, 3, 4, 5 months before you can get up to those 10 or 15,000 email addresses. Okay, so all these methods are working for me. They will work for you too if you know how to make them work. Okay, so again, in the end, go and check everything, and thank you so much for watching the video so far, and subscribe. I have told you, YouTube does not allow me to subscribe to my own channel, so you gotta do it. Subscribe, like, leave your colorful super comments here, and thank you for watching the video again. I guess I'll see you in my next video shortly. Till then, baba tai tai. That means tada bye bye.